let's discuss some of the questions of cycle 3b together. For these questions, some students may wonder which operation should he use, addition or subtractions. Actually, for these questions, we can use both either addition or subtractions to do the eliminations. For example, if I call this one as equation 1 and this one is equation 2, if I use subtractions, that is 1 minus 2, what will happen? Like this. And then the term s will be eliminated, and on the left side we have 4y, on the right side which is 16, and y equals 4. And then we can substitute this value of y into either equation 1 or 2. This time I substitute it into equation 1. So s plus 2 times 4 equals 14 and s equals 6. How about addition? What will happen? Let me show it to you. If I sum up the equation 1 and 2 together, like this, and then on the left side, this time, the terms y will be eliminated and we have 2s on left side and 12 on right side, and s equals 6. Next, I can substitute this value of s into equation 1 again. 6 plus 2y equals 14, and again y will be equal to 4. We get the same answer. So, in these questions, students, you can either use addition or subtractions to solve the simultaneous equations. Next questions. This question. For this question, if I call this is equation 1 and this is equation 2, we can either multiply equation 2 by 5 or 2 to do the elimination. Let me show it to you. If I multiply the second equation by 5, and then it will become I call it equation 3, and now I can subtract equation 1 from 3 like this. We have the terms s will be eliminated, and on left side we have minus 21y, on right side we have 42, y equals minus 2. And then I can substitute this value of y into equation 1. We have s equals 3. How about another way? Another way, as I mentioned before, I can multiply the second equation by 2, like this. And I call this equation as 3 again. And now, if I subtract equation 1 from 3, what will happen? The terms, sorry, I should use the addition. And the term y will be eliminated, and x equals 3. We can guess the same answer. So this question, again, we have at least 2 ways to solve the simultaneous equations. And the last questions I want to discuss with you is this one. For this question, actually, is easier than those previous questions which I discussed with you, but I still want to discuss this question with you. The simplest way is to multiply this equation by 3 to get the answer. Let me show it to you. Equation 2 by 3, then 3x plus 12y equals 15. Now we can see the coefficients of x in equation 3 and equation 1 are both equal to 3. Then we can use subtraction. We subtract 1 from 3, like this. Then the terms x will be eliminated, and on left side we have 7y, on right side 14, y equals 2. We can substitute this y equals 2 into equation 1 to get the answer. So for this question, this is the easiest way to solve the simultaneous equations. Still, some students may try to do it in this way, like this one. He may multiply the first equation by 4. Then we have, and call this equation as 3, and the second equation by 5. Of course, we can still solve the simultaneous equations in this way. We can subtract 4 from 3 to get the answer, but actually, this way will enlarge all the coefficients of x and y, and I don't recommend you to do it in this way. That's all the feedback for Cycle 3b homework. Thank you.